Another command is construction lines or X lines. So in here, I've got a construction lines layer. It's a very pale color and it has a dotted line type. That layer is also set to not print, but if I did accidentally print it because it's a pale color and a dotted line type, if I try to print it in color, it's probably not going to show up. But for construction lines, they help you go back to the old school drafting view layout, if you will. So you want to line up your views using construction lines. You can lay out one construction line at 45 degrees, then use construction line to lay out your other view orientation and your other view size. Now I can just switch over to my object, snap, use my line command, reference the intersections, and now I have the correct height and width from my other two views. And get rid of those because they do clutter up the display, or at least turn that layer off.